These are the elevators at Foster Plaza 10 in Green Tree, Pennsylvania. These are some classic 1980s Westinghouse elevators with Type A fixtures. And here's the left elevator at coach times and a very interesting lantern up there. Walk up to 7, 6, 6 works, 7's locked. And here we go up. No up coach was on the inside, unfortunately. These are traction here at 6. And here's a bit ahead of himself. We got a bit of peeling wallpaper. Let's go back down to 1. Doors closed so a little bit quickly. 88 pound. Very nice caps. Class A office buildings, I believe. That's not wallpaper, that's something else. Here are your 1980s Westinghouse Type A fixtures. Here back at 1. Ring the bell. Of course, it doesn't want to ring. Now closes, and that's going to be it.